Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to have the demo for the Sprint 1 for the project GiftHub from Macklin Avenue. And we will go ahead and work through on what we finished for this sprint. So right now, I'm going to share my screen, and you will see the iPhone screen. So I'm loading it right now. Let me know when you see the screen.
Yep, we can see it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, great. Richard, would you like to show also your screen for the Android version?
Sure, give me a second.
In the meantime, the Richard is loading that information.
I think
Let me,
it's. Can you
yeah,
see?
yeah,
Okay.
right there. So I'm gonna just go in and walk through right now. This is a very simple register form where you can set up the email and the password for the user. For example, I'm gonna create a new one right here. I'm gonna tap the register button. So right now I'm already registered, and it's asking me if, okay, let's set up your name, your first name and last name. And I can select a picture, and these pictures are coming from Gravatar. And I'm done with the profile. After I'm done with the profile, since this is the first time that I'm going into, it is asking if I want to add some friends right now. So probably I will hit the no, I will add friends later, but probably Richard can send me an invitation to me so I can see the process on friends informations.
Sure.
In the meantime, I will go ahead and create a new wish list.
What's your email?
Camilo.aguilar@me.com. Okay. I'm gonna create a wish list for Christmas, and I can go ahead right now, go to the details of the gift of the Christmas wish list and add a new item. When I go and add a new item, I can the list or change it. Then I can add the name for the wish list. I want to add a new bowl and probably just set up any descriptions, like for example, I want the brazuca bowl, and I go ahead and tap the button add to wish list. So the gift is created, and I can just go right here, right there, and then see the new wish list. Richard, were you able to send me the invitation?
Yes, I sent it. You
Okay.
can go to friends and you should see it.
Okay, I will go to the friends section, and I have the pending.
That's my name.
Yeah, pending invitation for Richard. So I will go ahead and tap the button accept it. So I already accepted, and this is the list for all my friends that I have right now. And if I tap right there, I will see the gifts, the wish list that Richard has, and the gift that he wants for that wish list. For example, he wants a car for that birthday. So
You can click the car.
okay.
So you can see the description. Currently, we're not saving a picture.
Okay.
We didn't manage to do that for this sprint, but next one it's like a priority. And also you can see a description, and since you're a friend of mine, you can mark this as you bought. If you bought it to me, you can mark it as I bought this gift for you.
Okay.
So next time you go to the friends wish list, you should see the item marked in a gray color. So
Okay.
that's showing that someone bought that gift to me.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I know there is a feature that I can rearrange the list.
That feature is not done.
Not yet. Okay.
At least for the friends, but you can arrange the items, your items for each wish list. So you can go to wish list and add some items to. Yeah, go ahead and add some more items. Try it out.
Okay. Okay. The new wish list is created. What shall I do, Richard, to rearrange the items?
Oh wait, give me a second. I think Javier is telling me that we can arrange wish lists, but not items.
Okay.
So yeah, sorry, that's my bad. Yeah,
Okay.
so add a new wish list.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can click
Okay.
edit there, and you can drag and drop.
Awesome.
Yeah. So basically, that's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Order save it.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that I miss on showing this one, Richard?
No, that's about it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's we have done so far. Besides that, also I can reset my password via email address and the register that we already see. This is the log.
I think there might be something else. If you can log in again.
Okay.
I think we can delete your friends, and we can delete wish lists, items. We can edit them. So.
Okay.
So go ahead and you should swipe. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Camilo.aguilar at me.
Yeah. I think it's just 1-4. Okay. Okay, so I can go ahead and delete a wish list.
Yeah, you can go and you should swipe from right to left.
Okay.
In each wish list, and there should appear an item.
Okay.
Buttons, so you can delete it or edit it.
Okay.
The same with the friends, but with friends you can only delete them. As of now, yeah. There you go. So you unlinked.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it.
Okay. So showing that, I guess we're done with that, with the demo and showing. So we go for question and answers.
So as an overall, we managed to do the login, the register, adding wish list and items, deleting them, edit them, friends, sending invitation, accepting a friend, denying a friend, and seeing their wish list and marking their items as purchased. So that's the overall. That's done. Colin, are you talking? You're muted.
Great job. Great job on all that. One thing, I didn't look at the requirements, but I know that the requirement in what I had talked to Nathaniel about was if I'm friends with you, Richard, and I can see your list when I mark an item that I bought it, you should not see that I bought it or that anybody's bought it. Just your other friends can see that somebody already bought that.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Is that how it is?
Yeah. The only person that cannot see which items are bought for your wish list is you.
Okay, got it.
Other guys can see it.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah.
So the only difference in there that you can see is that when you bought an item, you can see a button, a red button saying that I didn't buy it. Only if you like you return the item or something. But in the other friend, if other friend bought it, you should see only a message that says, "Hey, this item was bought by someone else."
Cool.
Yeah.
Very good. I don't think I have a whole lot of questions. I guess it just that the next functionality I think would be important to get on there would be the scanning of an item, and then taking a photo of an item, and then also would this make a good? We probably wouldn't be able to use this same application for the website, would we?
Come again?
Well, we want to be able to have a website also where people can just use this on the internet through a browser. I'm wondering how would that have to be a completely separate site?
Well, currently we have it working on our browser, web browser, but it's mobile first. So the interface will look like it's a mobile, so optimized for a browser, web browser. So that's the only.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll just at some point we'll get to creating a browser-friendly version.
Yeah.
But for now, it's good. I mean, that's good progress. And I think probably just some touch-ups on the graphics and stuff. I think that Byron's gonna jump in on that stuff. But as far as functionality, I'm pretty impressed with how much you guys got done in two versions. So
yeah, this is two different operating systems, 2 weeks, and a whole bunch of functionality.
yeah, very good. You got anything, Byron?
Yeah, I do. So this is for Camilo. Camilo is the functionality that's in this app. Does it at least have everything that your app has? The one that was the Objective-C app.
Yes. The only thing that I had missing is the ordering for the stuff, like the wish list that you can set like a different order. And besides that, I don't remember if I have already enabled to add the pictures.
You did.
I did. Okay, well, and so far,
Like this app is missing the pictures, and that's the only thing. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we have in the App Store right now is the Objective-C version. Sounds like we can make some UI tweaks, get the photos updated, and then we would be able to release that to the App Store. I'm not saying that's what we would do, but if that's all we did, it sounds like we could release to the App Store next demo.
Yeah.
That would be ideal if we could release to the App Store next demo. And yeah, and like you said, Byron, just making it look prettier and slicker, cooler, and then whatever buttons are on there, though, we also need to just make sure that they're working. So like if we're going to keep the Google and Facebook login stuff on there, then we've got to make sure that works. If we're going to have the scan button on there, we're going to make sure that works as well. But all of those things would be ideal to have on the next sprint as well. So,
yeah,
very good, very good. Are y'all going to be using this app?
I'll use it.
Yeah.
It'd be good if y'all would use it too, because that reaches a lot of people. I mean, we want to get it to a certain point, and then if everybody all the developers and QA people from Ackland, the whole team uses it, and then has their families use it, then we'll get a whole lot of good feedback about it. To say, hey, this is what is missing. This is what it needs, and this, even we don't want to use those people as QA. We don't want them debugging it, but we do want to use all those people for feedback about what features it might make it better going forward.
Yeah, very cool. Great job this
Yeah.
sprint, you guys.
Awesome.
I know you weren't alone at the beginning of the sprint, but by the end of the sprint, you sure were, and you too really pushed through this. Did a great job, and I'm definitely impressed with the sheer volume of stuff that you guys got finished.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah. All right. Well, should we call a close to this demo?
Yeah.
Milo?
Yes, we're
Great
done.
job, guys. Great job.
All right. Thanks.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Adios.
Bye.